What's up everyone, welcome back to Fish. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can go ahead and get yourself the new Crystal Race fish, all of the new, but for the quest guys, go ahead and get the Crystal Race fish. So, let's get straight into it. You want to go ahead and make your way over to the Grand Reef. If you guys don't know where Grand Reef is, let me show you how you get there. So it's going to be spawned in your boat. So shipping right. So here you get your ship, as you can see, and you want to go ahead and fish right on top of this reef where you can get the fish. So on that island you can get this fish which we are looking for, crystal race fish. So you need to find the best tree over on this reef and you can fish there and you will find. So this will be it for this videos. So thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, peace out.